Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're just going to make a quick little set of press-ons. I'm going to just be using 3 different nail reserve polishes that I've had in my collection. They're probably some of my favorite ones. These are really simple. I wanted to use some of the charms that I had gotten in my last temu haul. So I have them picked out on the dish to the side that you see there, and I'm just going to, I end up showing them to you later on in the video. But we're just going to go through painting the nails. I'm going to end up doing 2 coats of each color on the nails. This one is so pretty. It's a very light baby pink with glitters in it. I believe this one is called In Bloom. I do have a code with Nail Reserve LA. It's Haley Marie. It'll be in the description as always in case you want to use it to get 60% off of your order. These nail tips are also, which I forgot to show, they're from Shein. They're medium almonds, and they are the ones that I showed in my last Gel X video. I've been using these for Gel X a lot. And I just really like these nails because they're pre-buffed, so I can skip the whole step of buffing, which is super nice because I get really impatient. But yeah. So this color right here is called Quartz Rose. It's a cool toned baby pink shade. And what I personally love about these is they only take 30 seconds to cure. So saving myself 30 seconds is really great. There's a fuzz in there. That's what I'm trying to do, is get that out. But yeah, saving 30 seconds is a big deal when you are impatient and just want to get sets done. So that is one of the things that I love about Nail Reserve LA. Yeah. And then the last 2 nails, I'm going to be using this milky white Aurora shade, and this is called Playground. This is definitely my top #1 favorite, most used polish from Nail Reserve LA. It's so pretty. Yeah. So after I get this coat on, I'm going to cure and do a second coat, and then we are going to move on to the rest of the nail set. So I just wanted to pop on and talk to you guys really quick and say Happy New Year. I hope that you had a good one. I hope that this year will be good to you, because you guys definitely deserve it. So let me know down below, what is your favorite nail shape? What is your favorite method? And what method, as in I assume that you guys can read my mind, I guess. What is your favorite method of applying nails? Because I'm interested and I want to know. Mine was press-ons. I have been enjoying Gel X more lately again since I finally stopped biting my nails. My nails are still in horrible shape though, as in I have a lot of those bruised lines on my nails. I bruise really easily. Also, still, I just can't help myself. I don't remove my nails in the best of ways sometimes, but I have to start trying to get better with that for sure. So yeah. What's your favorite nail shape? What is your favorite method of applying nails? And last but not least, what would you want to see in some future videos? Please let me know down below in a comment, and if you would not mind doing so, it would really help me out if you can give this video a thumbs up for me. I would appreciate it so much. That way I know that you're into this type of video. Are you into press-on videos? I guess you are if you're watching this. So yeah, let me know. And now we're moving on to our second coat of gel polish here. I can't wait to use these charms. Like I said, they're the ones that I got in my last temu haul. I'll show you later on which ones I'm going to use, but spoiler alert, I'm using the big sparkly purple Kuromi. Oh my god, she's so adorable. I can't wait to wear these nails because I'm just obsessed with Kuromi. I know actually that she's my favorite. I honestly think she's even cuter than Hello Kitty. I just love her so much. So yeah, that's what we're going to be using. And just so you know, be on the lookout. There's going to be a shein nail haul and another temu nail haul coming quite soon. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that my packages are coming today when I am actually doing this voiceover. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to getting those because sometimes, not that it takes so long, it really doesn't take that long to get your stuff from Temu, but I don't know, I feel like I'm in a frenzy sometimes when I'm ordering off there because there's just so much cute stuff that I forget what I have purchased. So it's almost like a little surprise when you open it back up finally, you know what I mean? Yeah. But after that, I'm probably gonna like take it easy on like buying more nail stuff. I have way too much stuff. It's literally insane. I've filled all my nail polish organizers, so I really need to get to doing like an organizational video. My room could definitely use a little bit of organization. Yeah, and my like charm drawers and stuff are completely full. I need to show you guys my full collection. Let me know if you're interested in seeing that. Either way, I'm probably gonna film it, but let me know if that's something that sounds good to you. So I finished the second coat, cured, and we're ready to top coat. On 2 of the nails, I'm using that sparkly beetle one that I showed, and then the rest are just getting a basic no wipe top coat. And I personally like to top coat, charm, and top coat again. I know not a lot of people are into that, but that's what I do. I feel like it makes my charms shinier, it makes them last better, they don't get scuffed, and they also do not fall off because I fill in any little gaps, as you'll see me do with extra top coat. If I missed any like spaces with my rhinestone gel glue, I just kind of like drip the top coat into the crevice and my charms don't go anywhere. So that is my reasoning for doing this. But yeah, I really love these Beetles top coats. I had made a video when I got them, like I don't even know when, a while ago. I've gotten so much use out of them. They're all like 15 mLs and they're glitter and they're no wipe, so it's really perfect. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I saw on Amazon that they made a new 6-piece top coat set with just like Aurora top coats. But I don't know, they kind of looked all similar to me, so I didn't buy them. And the set that I have did come with one Aurora top coat. I mean, like, how different are they really, honestly? But if you don't have these, you might want to check into that for yourself if you're in need of some pretty top coats. But those were the charms right there. Kuromi, star, bow, strawberry. Super simple, not that many. I just wanted to have this ready so I could wear them when I want to. And just some of those flat back silver dot things. So I'm still using this Macart rhinestone glue every now and again. I'm trying to completely finish it up, which should not take me that long. I feel like I'm just always attaching charms, whether it be to my nails or other things. This, quickly, is my nail lamp. I don't know why I decided to show it, but I did, and here it is. But yeah, so let's get into the rest of the little nail tutorial here, or whatever you want to call it. Is it a tutorial? I don't know. I really don't know.